Menteri Rangba ke Sarkar Jela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulai ke Kyrshan ke Jingkyndang jong kibor Pulit bat kibor distrik ke West Gar Hills District persya kita kiberiu ke badan keti Halandet jong ke Jingkyndang ke Marba Mardi bat kiwe ke Mar hapokane ke distrik. Menteri Rangba awlong ba ke Sarkar Jela kala Shimkhya bha ke Jingpen tikna ba ki pajba ke nam kerdu ke Marba Mardi bat ba kinam sya thok sya syukor. Ya kene ke kerwo na Menteri Rangba lapha na office jong Konrad Kongkal Sangma lang ba jong ne ke kerwo ulong balale na ke benta ke bha kamiat jong ki pajba ki palamat ya ke jing sosan tang namar ke kambian jong ki katto kat nengut ki breu bat ke kenhun ki bapha pen kiu ya ki dor ki mar ki mata ban mantoi simen ka kenhun Meghalaya Chamber of Commerce balathau daw MDC ki BJP badan menta ha along jong ki Pulit Bernard R Marang kadai ke balalap da ke jing tokit ki Pulit ba ke jing don keti Halandet ke ne ke jing kiu dor ki mar ki mata bat ban penbor ye ki nong khayi bakin pen kiu ye ke dor jong baro ki mar nadu ki marbam ki tiar tei jing tei bat kiwe kene ke kenhun kalalum da ke commission namar ke ne ke jing pen kiu dor.
Just recently the West Garo Hills Police and the West Garo Hills administration has been cracking down on different kind of illegal activities, especially in terms of extortions and different kind of activities which were leading to the prices of essential commodities going up. And based on these different inputs received, a number of actions were taken by the district police and the SP, and concrete steps have now been taken to ensure that this does not happen in the future. And this will have a huge impact in ensuring that the price of essential commodities comes down to a large extent. And this will impact the poorest of the poor people and the general citizens of Tura and also of West Garo Hills. And I want to assure the different merchants and the different shopkeepers and the different people who do business in Tura and in West Garo Hills that the entire administration, the police and the government as a whole will be there to support and to ensure that full protection is given in the future so that these kind of illegal activities and extortions do not take place, which will unnecessarily support and to ensure that full protection is given in the future so that these kind of illegal activities and extortions do not take place, which will unnecessarily lead to the prices going up, which will ultimately affect the common citizen of the state.